I couldn't escape it. This voice inside of me kept saying, paint. We all have that burning passion within us. So for me, I sold my things and I flew to Barcelona and I started to paint on the street and I was hooked. It's just that connection of myself and the wall that I feel. For me, that sense comes from the specific neighborhood and the place and the vibe and the people. So it's not just me creating this work, it's all of you creating this work. So I'm listening through my intuition of what you're calling for, what you need to see and what you need to feel in order to grow. My first piece where I felt in my heart that this needed to exist is Balance, the sculpture, and when Balance was complete, there was just no question in my mind that I needed to fulfill my journey by being an artist. So excited for the blue. So excited. Just like, get done yellow and orange. It's gonna be amazing. Oh my god. Wow. The art that I create is meant for opening everyone up to their true potential and encourage us to be a better me. So it's me working from my heart. And when you do that, you flow. And the beauty in that is discovering something new that I didn't even know was in me. And if it just puts a smile on your face for that day because you enjoyed looking at it, I did my job because that made a better you. I can't stop creating because I'm not just an artist for me. I honestly know in my heart that I am an artist for everyone. I am creating for you. I'm creating for us. That's my goal. I'm Audifax. Join the movement, Art of Truth.